Hello lefty wannabes and welcome to the channel Right Left Hand. So today we're going to be on maintenance 4 for 2022 and it looks like I'm recording and it's all going to work out fine. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm actually going to move this a little bit out of the way. So let's go ahead and get started. M4. Sorry, I'm actually going to have to write a little bit angled. Looks like I had the camera set up pretty nicely before this, and I didn't remember how I set it up, so I'm having to do this at a slight angle. But hopefully you'll still be able to see everything after I finish this. But we shall see. So yeah, again, glad that this video is being recorded. Don't have to attempt to re-record or just do a voiceover afterwards. I guess I could always just do a voiceover afterwards just to kind of show the progress, but I think the whole point of this video and this series and why I started it was so that people can work along with me and so you can actually see it happen. It used to be day by day in the first year that I did this, and now it's going to be month by month. But it's more of a live process than a kind of retrospective look at what's going on. So I think I prefer that. All right. And there you have it, maintenance 4. So I'll try and fix the angle for next time so it's not all skewed. But yeah, that's all I have. Alrighty, goodbye.